1992 Upper Deck Jumbo Foil Pack Box. We're going to do two videos, one jumbo pack per video. These are 27 card jumbo packs. Let's pull the first one, this one here. There's also the special Home Run Heroes 26 card set. I believe you get one in each jumbo pack. Cards that we're looking for: rookies, Shawn Green, $1. Manny Ramirez, $4. That'll be the one to get. And Brian Jordan, 50 cents. There are no error cards where corrected cards were made according to Beckett for the 1992 Upper Deck set. Go ahead and pop this one open. And right off the bat, very nice, we get a collector's choice card, Mets Magic of Howard Johnson. It is a beautiful painting by Vernon Wells, I believe his name is. And am I right? I am. Howard Johnson, one of my favorites. Big fan of Hojo. And it looks like we've got another collector's choice painting card by Mr. Wells of The Big Hurt. Frank Thomas, very nice. We'll take that as well. That is awesome. 1-2 there. Big fan of both of them. Bloodlines card, Keith and Kevin Mitchell. Very cool on that. We've got Hale Morris. Dwight Doc Gooden, nice. Always a big fan of Doc. Looking great. We've got Matt Williams. A very interesting face there. But loving that classic uniform he's got on this back picture. Very cool. Nice. Barry Bonds. Awesome card to get. Looking real happy there. Oh, look at that hat on the back. That's cool. Very cool. Can't seem to hold on to my cards. Bill Spires. Oh, the late, great Tony Gwynn. Rest in peace to him. Big fan of Tony. Looks like he's signing some programs there on the back. That's cool. Throw him up there. There we go. Alan Trammell. That's what I'm talking about. Very cool on the Alan Trammell card, my favorite player. Front and center as always, Julio Franco, Brett Butler. This is so far this is a really good jumbo pack. Got Scott Bradley, Jerry Brown, Robin Yount, another great player there. Bob Malacky, Joe Hesketh, Joe Bover, Mike Jackson, Eric Karros, Tim Rock Raines with the Chicago White Sox. Very interesting. Came off the Expos. That's a cool picture on the back there. Mike Moore, Pete Shurik. What do we have here? Major League Diamond Skills, most exciting player, Ken Griffey Jr. That's an interesting card. So got a little bit of a defect maybe in the ink on the picture, but we should be okay. Yeah, very cool card. We've got Don Paul, an unautographed Baseball Heroes card of Ted Williams. Apparently these, you could find an autographed card of him in these packs. If I'm not mistaken, that's a 36 card set. We'll put him up there front and center. He deserves it. And for our Home Run Heroes insert Joe Carter for the Blue Jays. Very cool on that Home Run Heroes card. We'll take it. That was a great pack. What did we pick up, y'all? We got the late, great Tony Gwynn. Rest in peace. Picked up Doc Gooden. Over here, picked up Diamond Skills card of Ken Griffey Jr. Picked up Barry Bonds. Not as rookie, but still fun to get. Picked up Baseball Heroes insert of Ted Williams. 1942 Triple Crown year. Picked up my personal favorite player, Alan Trammell. That's an awesome card. Glad I picked that one up. And got the Collector's Choice painting cards of the Big Hurt, Frank Thomas. And Hojo, one of my favorite Mets players. There you have it, folks. 1992 Upper Deck. 27 card jumbo foil pack from the box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe. Stay tuned for video 2 of 2.